If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more content like this, right here on the Chevatech channel. Welcome to Industrial Health and Safety. Safety knowledge protects lives and prevents workplace accidents. The goal of every safety program is simple. Everyone goes home safely at the end of the day. In this lesson, you'll learn workplace safety principles, accident prevention, first aid, and risk assessment.
Occupational health protects workers from illnesses caused by workplace exposure. Common health hazards include dust, chemicals, excessive noise, and radiation. Occupational safety protects workers from immediate physical dangers, injuries, and SAGE and radiation. Examples include electric shock from immediate falls, burns, cuts, and machine accidents, and radiation. Examples include electric shock prevents disease over time. Safety prevents injuries immediately. Accidents.
An accident is an unexpected event that interrupts normal work activities. An injury is the physical harm resulting from an accident. A near miss is an event that could have caused injury but did not. Are warning signs that should always be reported. A near miss is an event that could have caused injury but did not. PPE means personal protective equipment, used to reduce workplace hazards. Examples include hard hats, gloves, and safety goggles. Safety boots protect workers from falling objects and sharp materials. Ear protection reduces hearing damage in noisy environments. The hierarchy of controls helps organizations manage workplace risks effectively. This strategic model prioritizes the most effective safety measures. It helps organizations manage workplaces effectively. Remove the hazard completely. Prioritizes the most completely. Level 2, substitution. Replace dangerous materials with safer alternatives. Level 3, engineering controls isolate workers from hazards. Level 4, administrative controls change work procedures and practices. Level 5, PPE. It is the last line of defense against hazards. Every organization should maintain a written health and safety policy. The first section is the general statement of intent. The second section defines safety responsibilities, is the general statement of intent. The third section describes workplace safety arrangements, is the general statement of intent. Workers have the right to know workplace hazards. Workers have the right to participate in safety programs. Workers have the right to complain about unsafe conditions. Workers have the right to refuse unsafe work. HSE officers help organizations maintain safe and healthy workplaces. They identified hazards and conduct workplace inspections. They provide safety training and emergency preparedness programs. They investigate incidents and recommend improvements. First aid is immediate care provided before professional medical help arrives. The first objective is to preserve life. The second objective is to prevent the condition from worsening. The third objective is to promote recovery. The third assessment identifies workplace hazards before accidents occur. Risk equals likelihood multiplied by severity. Risk, likelihood. Step 1. Identify hazards in the workplace. Step 2. Determine who may be harmed and how. Step 3. Evaluate risks and implement controls. Step 4. Record findings and take action. Step 5. Review and update regularly. Remember, identify hazards, control risks, report incidents, and always work safely. The ultimate goal of workplace safety is ensuring everyone returns home safely.
This concludes Industrial Health and Safety. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow @Chevatech for more.